In this lesson, I will explain some important points to take it into account so it makes lighting is more realistic, specifically the day lighting. The north in this project is the back facade and south direction on the front facade. So left is the west and the right is the east. We will notice that the sun, if we look here like this, the sun is high at that place. And this is not its position at the sunset. Therefore, its position needs to be more realistic. So we will rotate HDRI like so, in which the sun rays are more realistic. We will notice that this position could be a time before noon. It may be 11 a.m. or 11:30 a.m. So when we see the result, the day lighting will be more realistic. Accordingly, if we want to make a sunset shot, so it's better to use an HDRI that's at sunset. So sun will be on that side, on west. Thus, this is the point of sun position. We will go to pool 1 scene. This part is gravel, but it needs to push up a little bit. We will push up its face 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters is okay. After that, we will edit the position of this porcelain texture here. We will open this group. Then make this joint here, or this one, place it at this point. And the start will be a full tile without joints. Thus tile's appearance looks better and more realistic without unarranged joints, because we designed to build our design on the rear. We will exit this group. Notice that we have 5 scenes we want to render them. The first scene is perspective, the second is pool 1, then pool 2, after that setting 1 and setting 2. There are 5 scenes. If we want to render them all at once with the day lighting, so how to set properties for all of them and render all of them at once? We will go to Enscape. First thing, we will set resolution of these shots. Then make sure that the HDRI is turned on. And configure atmosphere settings. Here sun brightness is 100%. Then in main tab, make sure that mode on none to render final images. Then set the camera settings as you prefer. Then make sure that rendering quality on ultra. After that, we will use batch rendering. Batch rendering is the third icon from right on the left corner of Enscape. In this list, we will see all the scenes we have made in SketchUp. If we checked on the project name, all scenes will be selected. And we can unselect the scenes we don't need. Here, each of pool 1 scene, pool 2 perspective are selected. We will unselect rendering plan. Then make sure that setting 1 and setting 2 are selected. After that, we will click on render images. We will select the location where we will export the images. And Enscape will render all of the scenes.